Hey guys, your packages are here.
Janine, don't touch those.
Why not?
They're haunted.
When you're looking for the cutest printable miniatures, the question on everybody's mind is,
Who are you going to call?
Mojo World & Co., of course. So sit back and relax as I show you how to make these miniatures yourself and reveal the mystery behind the haunted packages. As always, the link to this template and my shop is in the description below.
The basic tools you'll want to make your miniatures are a cutting mat, an X-Acto blade, a ruler, and some glue.
Thanks, Janine, but I got it from here.
Yeah, whatever.
Step 1. Print the first page of the template on cardstock and the second on regular paper. Cut out the template, then flip it over like you're making pancakes. Use the naturally occurring edges to score the template along all the lines shown. The scored lines will create a grid, which will indicate where to make the deep cuts. Now, make deep cuts along the lines shown. Then flip the template over again, just as if you were overcooking your pancake. Lastly, we no longer need the areas indicated in black, so we can remove these now. Step 2. Pre-fold the template along all the scored lines, and try folding the box together to get a feel for how it works. Then, get out your spectral paste. Apply glue to the tab on the side and paste it to the inside of the box with your thumb. Be sure the edges line up cleanly. Once dry, we can begin gluing the bottom of the box together by applying glue to the flaps and pressing them down against a flat surface. Next, do the same for the top of the box, and imagine you are a friendly water sprite here, as it will help the time pass more quickly. Lastly, use the guides to remove the tape and glue it around the box starting from the bottom so your top looks pretty. Now all you have to do is apply the label and you're done. So I gave her my number. I was like, who are you gonna call? Oh, come on, Peter. That pickup line is lame.
Peter, I thought you said you destroyed our old uniforms.
Oh yeah, guess I forgot to take care of that later.
Too much talking. Not enough busting.
If you liked watching me play with my toys today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to keep up to date with everything miniature.